Okay, we're live. We're here in Dunwoody, Georgia. We're finishing a bathroom project. It's still a couple of touch-ups that we need to do, install the mirror and some touch-ups, but most of the work is being already completed. If you want to check it out, we replaced completely the vanity, the granite countertop, sink and faucet. We removed a big mirror that it was above here, and we replaced the light fixture. We add a light fixture out here. Oh, and here. We move it inside the bathroom because it was outside. This is a really old house. This was a top bathroom that we converted to a shower. All brand new bathroom flooring, new toilet being installed, new window that need to be painted as well. We already took the measurement for the glass doors that we're going to put a frameless glass in here. New plumbing, head shower, handle, and water diverter. We did a small bench on this side, and as you see, the outcome is really good. We love the tile. The bathroom feels actually way bigger. It was a complete wall right here blocking the top space, and we just relay out with a new shower, new toilet, new window, new flooring, and the new long vanity. This is the project that we do every day. If you have any questions about the bathroom, I shot a video yesterday trying to say about the cost for a bathroom that we'll be doing. Now I want to be focused on the time frame. A bathroom like this, it takes about 2 weeks to get it done because it's a different team members that need to come here, the demolition people, then the plumbing for the roof, the vanity people, the tile people, and after putting all together. Right now we're waiting just for the painting. We have some small delays because we have some problems with the tile, but basically we've been in around 3.5 weeks in this, and the outcome is really good. Customer is really pleased. We finished testing the final plumbing and we connect everything out. We just miss the glass and some touch-ups on the paint and the new window. Stay tuned for more renovations, but usually a bathroom it takes between 2 and 3 weeks. If you have any comments, post on the comments below. You can check the work that we do in our Facebook page and in website www.mogimprovementservices.com. Stay tuned because we're going down to Covington for a full rehab that we almost completed in there, and we're going to shoot a live video. Thank you so much for the attention, and I'll see you soon.